hear them break. I am but a traveler, been most everywhere. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life.
Mayong gabi sa tanan. In behalf sang amon bugos nga pamilya, ginakalipay gid namon ang pag-retire sang amon ninang Litapax Pakibot. Ninang, enjoy your life, and tani tagaan ka pa sang malawig ba nga kinabuhi kag makaupod mo pa ang imo mga kabataan kag mga apo. Thank you from De La Cruz family of Barangay Tupa.
Lola Angelita Pakibot, Lola Lita, I just want to greet you, happy retirement, and I just would like to congratulate you kay nahumana ka sa imuhang career, and it's high time no to really spend time with your family and enjoy life, no, na maiwasan na ang mga problema relative sa imuhang work, no, sa mga stresses with work, and you really deserve it, no, na ma-enjoy ang kabuhi kaupod sina lolo and even ang imuhang mga anak. And Lola, I just want to thank you. I want to thank you for your life because you served as inspiration para sa ako sa pagkuha ng social work profession in college, and I have become the social worker that I am right now because of the inspiration that you gave me. So yun lang Lola, I wish you good health, I wish you good life, and stay healthy lang always. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Mwah.
Hello, Auntie. I just wanted to take a moment to congratulate you on your retirement. This is such an incredible milestone, and I'm so proud of you. You've worked so hard over the years, and now it's time for you to enjoy all the fruits of your labor. I remember na pag ina-invite ka na mo na magsuri-suri ta dili jud ka. So, your dedication and passion have always been an inspiration to me, and I'm sure to many others as well. Auntie, as you step into this new chapter, I hope you find time to relax, explore new hobbies, and enjoy every moment. Kasi syempre, sakit-sakit na atong mga tuhod. So, dapat, bata-bata pa, mag-travel-travel po kay mas taas naman ka og oras. So, you've earned it. Here's to a wonderful retirement filled with joy, adventure, and everything you've dreamed of. Kung unsa pa ang wala nimo ma-achieve sa imo life, i-accomplish na nimo siya kay na naman kay time. May time na ka sa pamilya and sa sarili nimo. So, congratulations again, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll do next. Hello, Auntie. I just wanted to congratulate you on your retirement. This is such an incredible milestone, and I'm so proud of you. You worked so hard over the years, and now it's time for you to enjoy all the fruits of your labor. I remember na pag niyaya ka na mo na magpasyal-pasyal ta, na i-decline jud nimo. So, your dedication and passion have always been an inspiration to me, and I'm sure to many others as well. As you step into this new chapter, I hope you find time to relax, explore new hobbies, and enjoy every moment. So, time na naman te sa sarili mo na mag-enjoy ka. So, travel din. You've earned it. Here's to a wonderful retirement filled with joy, adventure, and everything you've dreamed of. Congratulations again, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll do next. We love you.
Hello! Congratulations in your retirement! Sa pagpasok mo sa bagong kabanata ng iyong buhay, gusto kong malaman mo kung gaano kami ka-proud sa iyo. Lahat ng iyong nagawa, ang iyong dedikasyon, pagsusumikap at katatagan, ang tunay na nagbibigay inspirasyon. Nagawa mo na ang mga bagay na hindi mo nagawa nang nasa serbisyo ka pa. Malawak ang nag-antay lang ang iyong bakuran para magtanim-tanim ng halaman at iba pa. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong retirement. Cheers to a happy, fulfilling retirement.
Hi, Ate. I am happy for your retirement. You finally be able to do things that you've always wanted to do. Nga imong gi-place sa back burner. Salamat for the encouragement and for helping me through college. More than sa financial help, what I really admired and appreciated was the moral and emotional support when some doubted me. You are my role model and someone I look up to. Enjoy your retirement and hopefully magkita ta soon. I love you, Ate Lita. Bye!
Hi, Ate Lita! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa imo nga mahimsog nga panglawas as you grow younger. +1 nga lang. I know you're a successful mother to your 3 beautiful children and wife to Uncle Puning. Unta, naamid dira to celebrate with you, pero syempre layo mi, kaya greet lang muna. Sa ulit, Auntie, happy birthday, madamong salamat, o more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Hi, Ate Let, happy retirement day. Salamat sa Ginoo sa imong kinabuhi, na imo kang panalangin sa tibok pamilya. Lipay kaayo ko nga niabot na ka sa imong retirement day, na fulfill nimo ang imong gipangandoy. Nihawa ka sa atong lugar kay para gyud i-practice ang imong pagka-social worker. Nga remember pa nako nga moingon ka ni mama nga tabang ampo kay mag-apply ko mo agto ko sa layo. Salamat sa Ginoo nga
Wala ka pasagdi sa Ginoo, gidungog ang tanan nato mga pag-ampo. Bisan pa man, ma-share pa ka nga ma, ako bitaw gikanta ma kay ako si Takuri. Pero salamat sa Ginoo ka nga Takuri, ka nga gamay nga Takuri. Nga imong gikanta, layo kay naabtan, o naabot na karon sa retirement day, o daghan kayong napanalanginan ana nga Takuri. Nahimo kang panalangin sa tanan, o salamat kayo sa imong pagkabuotan, pagka-giver nga igagaw. Basta happy kay ko, proud kay ko nga nako igagaw, o in behalf day sa Bulongon, sa pamilya ni Papa Hubin o ni Mama Pidila, happy kayo mi nga nag-retire na gyud ang nag-retire na gyud kati, o see you soon, makalaglag na gyud ka. To God be the glory.
Hello everyone! Good afternoon, good evening sa tanan, or kung ano man nga oras ninyo ini gina-celebrate na okasyon. After years of hard work and dedication, no one deserves a happy retirement more than you, Mama. Your outstanding leadership is admirable. You lead with integrity and humility. Ma, you can look back on your careers and be so proud. Just like how proud I am of you. Congratulations and happy retirement. I love you so much, Mama and Papa. See you soon. Bye-bye!
Ay, kumusta ka? Salamat kayo dahil sa imong kaayo namo, sa imong pagsuporta sa among kapulangon. Og happy retirement.
Hello, Ma. Congratulations og happy retirement. Ma, una sa tanan, pasaylo ako sa akong mga sala nga nahimo diha kanimo uban na sa imong pamilya. Mang, dako kay ko pasalamat sa Ginoo nga kasama nakaiyaan kog sama nimo kabuotan, kamapinanggaon ug kamang gihatagon nga di gyud hintupngan. Mang, siguro dili nako matagsa-tagsa unsa ang imong kamaayo dinhi kanako ug nilang nanay ni tatay uban na sa akong mga igsuon. Mang, gikan pa sa among pagkagagmay hantod na lang karon nga nakabuo na kaugalingong pamilya. Never gid mi nimong ginkalimtan labaw na si nanay ug si tatay. Mang, daghan kaayong salamat. Kaning ang akong nahuman karon dili ni nako makabot kun dili pan gumikan nimo ug uban sa imong pamilya. Mang, daghan kaayong salamat. Daghan kaayong salamat, Mang. Bisan pa man unsa kadako sa among sala sa labaw na ni tatay, wala gyud ka nagbag-o. Bisan pa man gali nga nagkabulag-bulag si nanay o si tatay, wa jud ka nag-usab og pagtagad labi na ni nanay. Mang, daghan kaayong salamat. Daghan kaayong salamat. Daghan kaayong salamat, Mang. Dili lang gyud siguro nako tas-on para wala na daghang duha pang mutulo. Daghan kaayong salamat, Mang. Thank you, Mang. Happy retirement and congratulations to your new phase of your life.
Hello, Day. Kumusta ka? Nakasensya ka rin mong isong iyang kabuluyagon. Oo, pasalamat na ka. Retired na ka. Happy retirement.
I can see a better